Hello students, and welcome to week 7. I'm looking forward to seeing you again this coming Monday. Today is Tuesday, the start of our week. I'm in the Blackboard site right now, just to kind of once more show you through it. You've got the syllabus at the top, the Prezi, the Padlet, and the Flipgrid. Down here, if we keep going down to the bottom, it takes a moment to load, but here we are at week 7, considering curriculum. So if we open this up, you've got your week 7 overview, which shows up right here. I kind of give you an idea of what it is we're going to be doing this week with the learning outcomes. I give you your readings. There's no text this week. There's Liberating the Curriculum, and there's Bill Ayers on Curriculum. So you'll want to take a look at both of those. You can actually download the original files right from Blackboard. And the class activities. So coming up this week, we're going to do a little bit with curriculum definitions, see if we can liberate the curriculum, and begin to construct some curricular storybooks. I'm also working on a guest speaker about using art in the classroom. So if I can arrange that, we might have to rearrange a few things that we're going to do. Now, last week, underneath Considering Curriculum from week 6, we had a couple of activities to do and an assignment to read as well. So here's Catching the Knowledge Wave. Here's the activities in Paolo Comes to Dinner. I'm still waiting on a lot of you to complete that assignment. To that end, I have left the Prezi alone so that you can go back in the Prezi and complete last week's assignments. Now you've probably noticed that I've added a lot of grades in. So I've gone back and all of our participation activities that we've done, if I have something to grade for you, I've been able to give you a grade. Some of you did not submit Venn diagrams, and a couple of you have yet to submit some of the other work as well. So any zeros, make sure you take a look at what you're missing and get that assignment to me. I'm not about punishing with grades. I want you to submit it so I can give you the points, okay? Last week, again, here's week 6. I'm going to leave it here. I have you talk about a couple of quotes. That's the assignment that's found underneath the week 6 folder, Talking Education. I also provide you with a video to watch and an article to read, and I wanted you to use Flipgrid to report on how you understood both of those together. The prompt is located right here. If you click on this Flipgrid link, it will take you directly to Flipgrid, and it will take you to the prompt. You'll log in with whatever your credentials are, and it will take you to that prompt, which looks like this. I ask you to consider the video and articles. There's some questions, and then you'll click this button to begin recording your response in Flipgrid. So please make sure you've completed that. The Prezi will take you through everything you need. I also gave you a chance to kind of think further about the history assignment that you have coming up. I want you to check out the assignment guide, and I gave you a chance to reflect and think about the policy reform activity. I've also set the Prezi up to take you back through each week. And so here, we're going to week 1, and it will take you all the way through each of the previous weeks. If you just continue to click through the arrow, it will take you through everything that we've done, from the first week all the way through to the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th week. You can back in if you remember this from the previous week. You can also do it like this. You can also actually just select which one you want to zoom in on. You don't have to go all the way through. You can actually do it like this as well. So that was the Venn diagram I asked you to submit. That was the philosophy activity we did. So students, please take some time to make sure you've completed all of the assignments up until now. You really don't want to let it go on too long. Everything's going to start to pile up a little bit, okay? So, everybody, welcome to week 7. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. If you have any questions, please email me ASAP. Thanks.